Hello everyone, my name is Orshi, aka Rocky, and welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio.
So if you're looking for a kind of coach that's going to push you and not just tell you what you want to hear, then I would definitely recommend Rocky as a coach for you.
And I still believe in the light, and I want to feel the sun.
Hey you, idiot! Hey you, idiot!
Oh, it feels so great.
That's not wunderbar. Alright.
I can't believe that I wasted so much time worrying about what other people are thinking. We're just here to live, so let's just live and enjoy it.
Rocky, I'm really grateful for building my confidence, for your constant support, for motivation, and for changing my life.
There are no such thing as learn to sing in 30 days or 5 minutes warm-up. That's bullshit. Professional singers and musicians spending their life, years and decades to learn, not just learn, more like own and master a technique. You might understand, you might maybe read a book and you understand that, oh, that's how you actually can do, but learn it, own it, master it, that takes years. There are no instant solutions.
I'm Philippe. I'm Alex, and we've been with Rocky for about a year now? Over a year. Yeah, no, love it. Totally recommend it.
My name is Orshi, aka Rocky. I am the founder of Phoenix Vocal Studio. I've been coaching for 17 years. I am a certified coach and teacher. I am not a YouTube coach. I am not a science geek. I am a musician, a singer, a coach and teacher.
If you really need to have a big improvement in singing and screaming, Rocky is your best choice. Let's rock!